Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows. So first of all, guys, go to App Store and go to search bar and search for ShareIt. Then click in icon download and wait until finish download ShareIt. Then go to your computer and go to google.com and search for download ShareIt and go to ShareIt download. Perfect. Click free download here. And click free download. So now ShareIt, it's downloading right now. After finish download ShareIt on your Windows, click on it and click yes and click OK. Now click next, click skip all, perfect, then click run. Now click accept, click next, next. Perfect, so ShareIt is installing on our computer. Click finish. Great, so come back to your iPhone, unlock your screen and click open, next, next, and close this window. Perfect. So click allow here and click in this button plus and click connect PC and click connect PC. Click allow and now take your iPhone and scan the QR code on your computer. Click join, click allow, click allow. And click here accept. Now close this. Now ShareIt is online. Click send, click allow full access, and now select your files, photos, video, music, document that you want to send to your Windows. So for example, I scroll down and I select this picture and this and this, and you can select video, music, files, then click send, and now it's sent, it's successful. So this is our picture. You can open folder from here, click on the icon folder, and this is your picture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you to the next video.